Hello kids, this is Chiku. Today I'm going to help you learn how to improve your writing and speaking skill. Do you like to know about it? Then come on, let's go. Alright, my dear kids, first let's start with the writing skill. Usually, how will you improve your writing skill? A topic will be given and you will start writing few sentences about the topic. Am I right? So, let me do the same now. I'll give you all a topic and you have to start writing. So, shall we start writing now? Yes? Okay. What topic shall we have? What about this? Have to eat an apple. It's very funny, right? Yes, no problem. If I give you this topic, what will you tell? And what will you write? Have to eat an apple. Take a good apple. Use a knife to cut. Cut it into slices. Put it on the plate. Then start eating it with a fork. I know most of you will frame sentences like this. You all will immediately begin with the process of have to eat an apple. But to make your writing part very interesting, you should know few keywords to polish your writing and speaking skill. Now, are you all very eager to know about those keywords? Yes? Then come on. Okay, now I'm going to share with you few keywords to polish your writing. The keywords are first, next, then, after that, finally. So, my dear kids, these are the magical words that will fine tune your writing and speaking part. Are you all wondering how? Yes? Then come on. Let's see how to use these words in the part. But before that, let me repeat these magical words once again. What are the few keywords you have to remember while you write and speak? First, next, then, after that, finally, that's it. Okay, so now let me tell you how to use these words. Whenever you start a particular passage or whenever you start to explain something, begin with the first keyword. Look here, have to eat an apple. First, pick one good apple. So instead of starting with the verb, take one good apple, pick one good apple, you can start the passage with the keyword first. To continue, use the next keyword next. Next, take a sharp knife to cut. Next, to go for the next step, you use the keyword then. Then place the apple on the cutting board and cut it into slices. After that, take a plate and a fork. Spread the apple slices on the plate. To conclude, use the last keyword finally. Finally, enjoy tasting the juicy, fresh and healthy apple. That's it. Now, look at your writing part. It's amazing, right? Shall we read it together? First, pick one good apple. Next, take a sharp knife to cut. Then, place the apple on the cutting board and cut it into slices. After that, take a plate and a fork. Spread the apple slices on the plate. Finally, enjoy tasting the juicy, fresh, and healthy apple. Now, look at your own passage. It's connected, right? If you give only the sentences, you will not get a connected passage like this. The passage is connected only because of the keywords first, next, then, after that, finally. So, use all these keywords whenever you define something or whenever you talk about the progress or whenever you want to talk about a particular specific topic. Let me give you one more example. Have to draw a cartoon cat. So to begin with, I will use the keyword first. First, draw an oval. To continue, I'll use next. Next, add the nose and mouth line. To go to the next step, I'll use then. Then, draw the head and ears. To continue this, instead of repeating then, I can use the keyword after that. After that, connect the ears and draw the neck. To conclude, I can use the keyword finally. Let's add whiskers and shiny spots to the eyes. Finally, trace with a marker and color it. Cartoon cat is ready. That's it. Look, we have a connected passage. Shall we read it together? Have to draw a cartoon cat. First, draw an oval. Next, add the nose and the mouth line. Then, draw the head and ears. After that, connect the ears and draw the neck. Let's add the whiskers and shiny spots to the eyes. Finally, trace with the marker and color it. Cotton cat is ready. Then, what about the speaking part? Use the same technique to speak. Make sure you use all the keywords when you speak about something. For example, if someone asks you how to prepare a coffee, you can start like this. First, take a coffee mug. Next, add 2 teaspoons of coffee powder and 1 spoon of sugar. Then pour the milk in the coffee mug. After that, stir well. Finally, strong coffee is ready to taste. That's it. So, make sure you use all these keywords while you converse with someone else. So, I hope my technique is very useful to make your writing and speaking part very clear and precise. So, please use it and let me know your comments in the comment box. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. See you in the next session.